know the static characteristics of SCR. SCR is three-terminal device. It is gate, cathode and anode. Now, by varying the supply, we have to keep this gate current at some value 3.2 amps. So now I have kept it at 3.1 amps. Now, let us come to this side. By varying the supply, you have to observe, you can see that there was sudden kickback in the voltage, but current is enormously increasing. You can see that if you keep on varying this voltage, current is increasing, but voltage is at same value, that is 0.8 or 0.7. This is the characteristics of SCR. Now, next step is to find the latching and holding current. For that, the procedure is like that. First, you have to trigger the SCR. Once SCR is triggered, the property of SCR is, see, now the SCR is triggered. How to know that when the SCR is triggered is, there is sudden kickback and the voltage remains at same value but current enormously increases. Now it is in the conduction state or SCR is triggered. At this stage, even if you switch off the gate, you can see nothing is happening to the gate voltage and current. Now, it has lost the control over the input or gate supply. Whether you increase or whether you switch on or switch off, no change in the voltage and current. Now, keeping this principle in mind, let us find latching and holding current. To find the latching and holding current, the procedure is, first I will teach you how to find latching current. Let us, now the SCR is in on state. When it is in on state, we know that the latching current is the minimum current which keeps the SCR in on state. That's keeping that definition in mind, we have to find the voltage, that current, latching current. Now it is at 29.4. In steps, I'll be continuously decreasing this current and I will observe. I will switch off the gate. I know that whenever gate is off, it should come to 0, but if it is in on state, it will never come to 0, it will remain on. So you can observe here, it's in on state. Now again, switch on the gate supply, gate current, and reduce still further. I have reduced. Again, switch off gate. Again, you have to observe. Again, reduce this supply still more and switch off gate. While switching off the gate, you are understanding one thing, whether it is in on state or off state, because latching current is the minimum current which keeps SCR in on state. Now still it is in on state but gate is turned off. Now still we have not got the latching current. Now again let us switch on the gate, further reduce and switch off the gate. You can see that from 9.3, it is suddenly, when I switched off the gate, when I removed the gate, it went to 0. Means 9.3, from 9.3 it has jumped to 0, means 9.4 will be the latching current, because when I keep it at 9.4, see little 9.4, if you switch off the gate, again even it is not latching current because it has lost the control. Still gate is controlling. Now (9.6), switch off the gate. So 9.6 means again it went to 0, turned off. Gate is still have control. 9.7, so switch off. It went to 0. Yes, you can see that 9.7, when I kept it at 9.6, it jumped to 0, but when I kept it at 9.7, even if I remove the gate, still it is in on state. That's why 9.7 is the latching current. Now, let me keep to find the holding current. Now, to find the holding current, I have to switch off the gate permanently. I should not turn on. Now, from this level, from whatever the value it's showing now, from here only, with gate supply off, I should keep on reducing, and from which value it is suddenly go to 0, that is what holding current. The definition of holding current is this is the minimum current which keeps SCR in on state though gate is turned off permanently. That's why now slowly you have to find by using fine knob, slowly reduce because gate is turned off, but still below this 9.3 it should go to 0. But let us see now, because we know that after 9.2, 9.1, 9.0, 8.9, yes. Now, though gate was turned off, from 8 till 8.9, it was in on state, but when I reached 8.9, 8.8, then it went to 0 state, means turned off. That 8.8 is the holding current. This is how you have to find latching and holding current in SCR experiment.